Today we are crocheting this simple elegant snowflake. I'm using a light semi-cotton yarn so you can clearly see every stitch. We'll crochet in 3 simple steps: the center ring, 6 rays and the picots. All materials and abbreviation are listed in the description below. Let's start with the center. Chain 5. And close the chain into a ring with a slip stitch. This ring is the base of our snowflake. Now we will make the rays. Chain 3. This counts as our first double crochet. Chain 5. This creates the arch. Now make 1 double crochet into the center ring. Second ray is the same. 1 double crochet into the ring. Chain 5. And 1 double crochet into the ring. Repeat the sequence 4 more times. In total you should have 6 rays. You can fast forward here if you are comfortable. When the last ray is finished, join the round with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain we started with. Now comes the decorative part, the picots. Chain 1 to start the round. We work everything into the chain 5 arch. First make 3 single crochets. One double crochet, chain 1, this is the base for our picots, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the first chain to close the picot. Chain 5 and slip stitch into the same base. Chain 3 and make slip stitch into the same base again. Now finish the arch with 1 double crochet and 3 single crochets. Repeat the same sequence in each arch. After the last single crochet, join the round with the slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. If this tutorial was helpful, please support the channel with a like and subscribe for more cozy crochet projects. You can hang the snowflake on your Christmas tree, use it for gifts decor, or crochet a whole set for a garland. Thank you for crocheting with me, Cookies. See you in the next tutorial.